Hello everyone. Today is it's not a car model. It's aircraft carrier, Chinese aircraft carrier. Name is Fujian. It's a province in China, and it's quite good looking. Of course, the scale is 1 to 2000, so it's tiny compared to the real one. Of course, it's made in China. It's very Chinese, made for Chinese. So let's open the box. It's well protected, and when you open the box, there it is. It's under blister. Blister opens this way. Trying to be careful. And here's the aircraft carrier. With all the planes markings on the deck. It's got 4 propellers. I don't see, I mean, it's not a, I don't think it's a military secret, but it seems like there's no radar or anything. Well, it's quite fun to see all these little planes glued on the deck, and it comes with a support, a stand, of course in Chinese it's a CV18. It sits on a stand like this. 2-liter hose. There it is. Very realistic model. Those are the types of aircraft that it's carrying. Some explanation. There it is. See you in the next video.